In this video clip, I will show you how to use Excel software, which is a user-friendly to perform statistical data analysis. One of the options is to add in a package called ToolPack that allows the user to do certain statistical tests on data. Here in Excel data sheet, I had inserted two groups of data labeled as data 1 and data 2. To perform statistical analysis in Excel, there are three available options to choose from. The first one is a command or function that is available through using the equal sign and then type the test that you are interested in to perform. Here we have two set of data that they are independent, they are not paired. So we could do here either t-test, correlation, and so on. And to do one of the tests, which is t-test, just insert equal sign, then type t.t-test. A command or a function is selected here or given. It's called t-test. If you click on that, it will show you how to enter the data and then perform the test. It says here t-test array 1, which is data 1, array 2, and then tails, and which is significance, whether one tail or two tail, and then a type. This is one of the tests that is easy to use and available in the Excel. Another option, if we want to do correlation on the data, just type correlation and select the first choice here, which is shows you how to correlate the data 1 with data 2. Straightforward, easy to use command or functions that already pre-installed and come available with the software. That's one of the options to do when you want to perform certain statistical test. However, if the statistical test is not available in Excel as pre-installed, you could use the formula or the equation for the test. That is one of the advantage of using Excel. You can insert on your own equation or certain equation or statistical equation, and the software will perform the test. Here as an example, I have placed equation for the t-test, and as shown here on the top, the mean of the first group minus the mean of the second group divided by the variance, by the square root of the variance for the first group divided by the number plus the variance for the second divided by the number. So in Excel, it's very easy to use the equal sign and then start entering the mean for the first data set of data. And to calculate the mean is straightforward. It just type, let's remove this. To calculate the mean here is straightforward, easy, just equal sign and then type average and then select the average and so on. So for this equation to be inserted, calculate first the mean for the first group, the mean for the second group, the variance for the first and the second, and then use the equation here, enter the equation here to calculate the t value or the statistical t-test value. So this is a second option for performing statistical tests in Excel using stat test equation. A third option, which is a straightforward and easy, is to add in if you don't have the ToolPack already added. To add in this ToolPack, so you start doing some of the data statistical test analysis. And the way to do that, if it is not installed here at the data section, if there is no icon for data analysis, click on File, scroll down to More, and then select Options, and in the Options window, select the add-in. Click on the add-in and scroll down to the Manage. Select the Excel Adds-in, and then click on Go. A window will appear and ask for add-ins. Select the add-in available, which is Analysis ToolPack. If you click on OK, you will notice that an icon is generated here under the Analysis section called Data Analysis. Once you click on Data Analysis, so by now this data analysis package is already added into your Excel sheet, and several tests can be used here as shown. That this analysis tool, you could do ANOVA if you have 3 groups or more. You could do correlation. You could also get some descriptive statistics. You could do F-test, draw a histogram. You could also perform ranking and calculate the percentile. You could do regression. You could do sampling. You could do t-test, paired and unpaired, with equal variance, with unequal variance, and z-test. So the tool pack is easy to use, straightforward. Just select the statistical test that you want to perform, double click on it, a new window is generated, and just select the input range and select the options here. So this is the way to add in a statistical analysis tool pack in Excel to perform stats on your data.